Hi everyone, good time. In this tutorial, we're learning how to turn a circle into a square. And this is the first granny square for the new project I'm going to have. And I've named this project Happy Forest Blanket. For this project, I'm using Alize cotton gold yarn and 3mm hook size. Let's start. To begin, I'm starting right here downside in this stitch. Join your yarn into this stitch, back loop only. Look, there are 2 loops for each stitch. I'm going to crochet into back loops only for this round. So join your yarn into this stitch, back loop, and chain 2. Make 1/2 double crochet into the same stitch, back loop. Yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop, pull up the yarn. There are 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops. 1/2 double crochet in next 2 stitches, back loop only. 1 and 2. Double crochet in next stitch, back loop only. And double crochet in next stitch, back loop only. In next stitch, back loop only, I'm going to create my first corner. To make this corner, I need to have 2 extended double crochet, chain 2, and 2 extended double crochet. It's like this. Yarn over, insert the hook into next stitch, back loop, pull up the yarn. There are 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull it through the first loop. Only 1 loop. Yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops. Yarn over and pull it through the last 2 loops. This is called the extended double crochet. Make another extended double crochet into the same space. Chain 2. 2 more extended double crochet into the same space or stitch. And this is my first corner. Double crochet in next 2 stitches, back loop. Half double crochet in next 7 stitches, back loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Double crochet in next 2 stitches. And here I'm going to create my next corner. 2 extended double crochet, chain 2, and 2 extended double crochet. Okay, it looks like this so far. And you should repeat this pattern for here and this side until here. The pattern is like this: double crochet in next 2, half double crochet in next 7, double crochet in next 2, and then you create the next corner. And this pattern continues and go on like this. For this part, as you remember, we created these ones into one loop and the front loop of this stitch. So the back loop is still here. This is the next stitch and this is the last one. This is the stitch I have. And these are the previous ones and also this one. So let me do this part too. Double crochet, double crochet, and now I have my 7 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is my number 4 stitch. 5, 6, and 7. Okay, it's like this. Now continue the pattern as I said. 2 double crochet, next corner, 2 double crochet, 7 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, corner, 2 double crochet, 7 half double crochet. I see you here. Look at here. I have 3 half double crochet, then 2 double crochet, then my corner. On this side, I need to have 7 half double crochet. I have 3, I need more. I need 4 more half double crochet. So count 1, 2, 3, 4 half double crochet, making 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here I have 7 half double crochet in total. Now slip a stitch on top of the first half double crochet. Round 2, chain 1, make 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1, double crochet in next 6 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In all corners, we need to have 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. This is my first corner. For the sides, we're going to have 1 double crochet on top of each stitch. And look at here, the first stitch is somehow hidden. This is my first stitch. And the top of a stitch is actually here. You should collect them backward a bit. Yes, and this is my first stitch. Don't miss this first stitch. Double crochet in each stitch until you reach the next corner. For the corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. And repeat this pattern by the end until you reach here. 1 double crochet on top of each stitch, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the corners, and this side have double crochet, corner, double crochet, and count the numbers of stitches on all 4 sides. For example, in this round, from this corner until this corner, I have 19 double crochet. So I go on and see you here. At the end, count the numbers for this side too. I have 18 stitches so far. And consider this one standing single crochet as one of the stitches too. Okay, I'm going to create my last double crochet. Now slip a stitch on top of this standing single crochet here. And this is my round 2 done. Round 3, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1. Double crochet on top of each stitch. I have 8 double crochet and 1 standing single crochet, 9 in total. Now for the corners, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And repeat the pattern like round 2. 1 double crochet on top of each stitch, and from this corner until next corner for this round 3, you should have 23 double crochet. I have my 23 stitches here. Now cut the yarn and consider that it's really important to have the same number or the correct number of the stitches for this project. I'm using a needle for this part. This is my first double crochet and I'm inserting my needle into this stitch. And also this is my last stitch. At the center, I'm inserting my needle at the center, and this is my stitch, nice and neat. Now hide the yarns at the back side of the square. And to be more certain about the safety, I'm going to do like this. My yarn is a type of yarn that's made of strands. I change the place of one of them. And now I create small and tiny knots. Yes. Now I'm sure that nothing will happen to this square. There is a tiny knot here. My first animal granny square is over. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and like this project. To watch the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!